Hey guys! Today's video is this cute little reindeer lip art. Oh no, I have lipstick on my teeth. If you want to see how I achieved this lip art, please keep watching. To start off, I'm going to start creating the reindeer's face. I got a lot of comments on my Instagram because I posted this video on there and people were saying that they thought it looked like something else. Now I can't unsee it. So basically I'm just layering different shades of brown and tans for the reindeer's face, and next I'll be using my black lipstick for my background. So now I'm going to start doing all the details of Rudolph's face, of course his iconic red nose, and I'm going to start doing his other details on his face. I feel like the video is sort of self-explanatory without me like talking about every single detail. So this next part I did little balls, Christmas ball things hanging off his antlers. I used these little nail art pearl things for the balls and these little tiny gold balls as well. I'm also going to create some snow, so I'm just going to use a tiny little paintbrush and like just dot them on all different sizes. Okay, so I was really impressed with myself. Like I was proud of myself for this part. I used these like tiny nail art butterfly confettis and cut them in half to make his hooves, so they were 3D and like stuck out. I thought it was cute. And there you have it guys, a cute little Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer lip art. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I really hope you have a happy holiday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!